Choo-choo, said Thomas. The engines on the island of shoulder. Like feeling responsible, and we were. Choo-choo, said Duck, and really useful. They work hard to complete their jobs on time. They don't like confusion and delay. Choo-choo, said Pussy. Choo-choo, said Oliver. But the troublesome trucks, though, I did mischief. And the mischief caused the trouble. A poor Connor found out. Connor had an accident and been sent for repairs, says the Topping Hat. There are no other engines available, so Diesel will help until Connor returns. Yes, sir, said the engines, but they weren't happy. The engines didn't like Diesel. He was always being rude and always showing off. I hope Connor's mending soon, said Percy. He moves more trucks than 3 Diesels put together, agreed Thomas. Trucks are no one's friends. Huffed Pussy. The next day, Diesel was working at the docks. Once the Topping Hat sees how good I am, he laughed to the truck. He'll get rid of steam engines once and for all. This gave the troublesome trucks an idea. As Diesel shunted them together, they started to sing, "Is that all you can hold? Connor's words are longer. Is that all you can hold? Connor's must be stronger." Diesel was cross. He was sure that he was stronger than Connor. "I'll push you all at the same time," he said. The trucks giggled. "Push us all that's the longest. Push all you be the strongest." "That's me," said Diesel. "The world's strongest engine." And Diesel shunted 8 trucks together. Then 10. Then 15.
Then 15. Soon he had an enormous line of
20 trucks. What Diesel doing? Cried Pussy. He thinks he's the world's strongest engine, replied Thomas. Diesel didn't know that the shunters had set the brakes on the trucks. The troublesome trucks agreed, but encouraged Diesel to push anyway. Push, push, push. Diesel pushed, and he pushed, and he pushed, but the trucks didn't move. So Diesel decided to pull the trucks instead, the freight cars. Heave ho, we can pull, we won't go, sang the trucks. This made Diesel very cross, and he pulled, and he pulled, and he pulled, and he pulled. Help, said Diesel. Ugh. Squeeze in the wheel. Diesel sucked as the trucks laughed and laughed. So the Topping Hat looked down crossly at Diesel. "I thought you'd be a proper Dr. Diesel, but I was wrong," he said. "Did you make up the last time, Connor?" "Oh, yes, sir," Connor replied happily. Choo-choo. He backed up to the trucks and the shunters released the brakes. And then Connor pulled away at easy as pie. And the engines choo-choo to Thomas and Percy. Diesel was sent home in disgrace. But the engines learned the lesson. Even troublesome trucks can give you a favor sometimes, said Thomas, like getting rid of a smelly old Diesel, puffed Percy.